Mac, Travel OG.
Shout out to Big
Let's
Mac.
get it.
With your broke ass.
I just wanna zoom out to Thailand. Once my flight land, then I turn it into my land. I'm a Thai fan. Richie Mac, I'm arriving. Once I hit Pattaya, got bands, I'ma dive in. On the golf course, I'ma use my 9-9. She love chocolate, watch her walk it, cause she fine. She 5'1", in them heels like she 5'9". Hit subscribe, going live, 9999. Richie Mac, overseas, that's that travel OG. Pay a visit when you can. Wanna zoom to Thailand?
We had somebody come up with a name for your channel. He called it Thai L.
Thank you.
What you think, Noodle? Can we work with Thai L?
Why not cool?
Oh, not cool. Oh, she want a cool name, but that was a good try. Thai L.
Good choice. Thai. I like the but L.
Oh. So what would she call it? Thai big leg?
Thai noodle.
No, you cannot say noodle. You cannot say noodle. Only I can say Thai noodle. Thai what? You like the Thai part? Thai.
Yeah, Thai good but L มันไม่แบบมัน look like not met, you know.
Okay, all right. So y'all gotta help us come up with a name for L's channel.
Thank you.
Right now it's called Thai L. What we gonna do on your channel, L? We gonna teach people Thai culture?
No, Thai not easy. I cannot teach.
We're gonna do these words, man, because y'all trying to learn. But words, you can say it a little bit different and it'll be completely wrong.
I said culture, not language. I'm talking about like show them like Thai food.
Yes.
They want to know why you such ladylike, feminine, you know, very lady. They want to know how you cook. They want to know why you different than ladies in the Matrix. Like what make Thai lady different? She don't eat after a certain time. I be bringing her food. Anything after like 9 o'clock, she won't eat it, even if she's hungry. She got that discipline.
I'm hungry. I'm not want to eat, you know.
Why?
I want to make time for. I don't know English.
You don't want to eat at the wrong time, I think it is.
They time I can eat all the time. Daytime, but night time I'm fit.
You said Leo, huh?
Yes.
Okay.
And you know what? I ain't mad at her. That tiny little waist with them big old legs is what got me in the first place. That's the thing about non-matrix thinking. They take care of themselves. They understand the importance of looking good for their man. They understand what they bring to the table and what we bring to the table. Thanks to my subscribers and Patreon members like Matthew Cole and James L. in Orlando. Shout out to my Patreon members. Because of you, we have bot buses with the Zoom to Thailand advertisements, and we're going to get Elle her own channel. This way we can show other people in real time the type of women they can have and deserve when they get their passports and shake the matrix. They mad at me back home, y'all. Mad because I'm showing you guys and girls that you don't have to settle. The only thing that might stop us from Elle getting her own channel, Elle wants to get braces. I'm kind of up in the air about that. Starting a new channel with braces? Seems like a bit of a disconnect. But what do you guys think? Should Elle get braces? Her teeth seem pretty straight to me. Maybe we can compromise if she gets the clear ones. Either way, you guys are going to have a front row seat to all of it. Like my golf buddy Aaron says, people are invested in our relationship. Sometimes a little too much. Y'all be out there trying to give me matrix-minded comments on my relationship in Thailand. Why are you letting her cut your food? You should be cutting her food. Y'all need to knock it off. Man, I'm over here trying to show you guys a better way, and some of you trying to give me that old school Western-minded advice. If you're not going to appreciate the difference in how women treat you overseas, you might as well stay your ass there in the Matrix. Elle and I read a lot of the comments, and we just laugh when people think she's angry or upset about something, and all of that negative stuff people like to hold on to. Ain't nobody got time for that. It's real simple out here, y'all. Treat the woman with respect, be honest with her, don't make promises you can't keep, and for the most part, you should be good. They deal with honesty a lot better out here. Off top. Trust me, from a dude that's been here since 2019, it's safe to say I have a pretty good handle on this. I hear about guys in some of the chat groups saying they can't find a good one out here. Here's my response to that. If you're looking mainly in bars and nightclubs, of course you're going to have a harder time finding the right one. If you're looking for the big booty thought model, how can you be surprised when you get a big booty thought model mentality? And a lot of the younger females are getting influenced by the Matrix culture, and I think as time goes on, it's probably going to get worse. We want to keep this place pure and be more aligned with their culture, in my opinion. Learn how to bow your head when you meet somebody. See how quickly they bow their head in return. And this goes for male and female. This is why I'm going to be introducing Golf Date later on this year, y'all, for people who are looking for a serious relationship and then just happen to play golf. Caddies, nurses, business owners, even people that work at the mall are great choices when looking for a potential mate. Book a consultation for a one-on-one conversation with me, the Travel OG, and I'll get you right. I've done almost 50 consultations now, and my consultation record is undefeated. But to keep it a buck, sometimes I miss my consultation appointments and I got to reschedule because I'm up editing all night, like I am now. It's 2 a.m. here in Thailand, and I got about 4 more hours to go before I probably finish this episode. So I do get times mixed up, but don't worry, your consultations will never expire. We'll get it done. Just try to book your consultation before you book your flight, if possible. And like the Angry Man says, hit the Zoom to Thailand Cash App and support the show. Your boy is out here changing lives, y'all. And as promised, I'm always going to leave you a little something for the end. Would you look at that? I can't make this up. Make sure you get your mind right. Make sure you get your grind right. Subscribe, share, and let all your people know you got to Zoom to Thailand. You dig? Peace.
The things that you want me to. Let's do some things that you want to do. So maybe we should do some things, 'cause we ain't got time to lose. We can dance till the sun goes down. Take my hand, I'll make it worth it. Looking for a good time. Let me be a one-way ticket, my love. Want something that feels right. We step out all day, all night, my love. One-way ticket, my love. One-way ticket, my love. One-way ticket, my love. One-way ticket for a good time. One-way ticket, my love. One-way ticket, my love. One-way ticket, my love. We stepping out all day, all night, my love.
Theme music.
Zoom to Thailand, hope you coming too. Richie Mac, travel OG with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for show. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it poppin'. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mac, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, 'cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mac, travel OG, let's go.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and notify. The algorithm is real.